Hi and welcome to this course. In this video lesson, we will begin the process of setting up WordPress on our machine. So before we install WordPress, before we run WordPress on our machine, we need one software. We need one software to run WordPress on our computer. And that software is a localhost. It's a localhost software. But what is a localhost software? Well, I will give you two explanations. First, a simple explanation and then a technical explanation. So let's go with the simple explanation first. So a localhost is a software which is required to run WordPress on our computer. If we want to install and run WordPress, then we need this software. We need to have this software installed if we want to run WordPress on our computer. And that was a very simple answer. Okay, so it's just a software. Localhost is just a software which we need to install first if we want to run WordPress. That's it. A simple answer, a simple explanation. But now let's go with the let's understand the technical answer. Let's talk about the technical explanation of localhost. Okay, so WordPress is a software, right? It's a software that is used to build websites, and like every other software, it is built using a programming language. It is written in a programming language, and WordPress is written in PHP programming language, and it uses MySQL database. So in order to run WordPress, we need to be able to run PHP and MySQL on our machine. We need to be able to run PHP language, we need to be able to run PHP code on our machine, and we need to be able to run MySQL. We need to have MySQL database on our system. And to run PHP code, we need Apache server. And to run MySQL, to use MySQL, we need MySQL server. So WordPress is built using PHP language and MySQL database. Okay, that much is very much clear. So these two component, we need to be able to run these two component. And to run PHP, we need Apache server, and to run MySQL, we need MySQL server. And so your localhost is just a complete package of all these things. So your localhost will contain Apache server, it will contain MySQL server. So that's why we need, because it's a whole package which contains all the things that are required to run WordPress. It contains the Apache server which will run PHP code. It contains MySQL server which has the MySQL database. So it's a complete package which has all the things that is required to run WordPress. That's it. And if you did not understand the technical answer, just understand that a localhost is a complete package which contains the Apache server and the MySQL server, which is very much required to run WordPress. Or just understand that it's a software which contains all the things that is required to run WordPress. Okay, and that's what it is. And we have a lot of option for localhost. We have lots and lots of localhost. We have xampp, we have wamp, and we have mamp. If you want to use wamp, you can go with wamp. If you want to use mamp, then you can install mamp. But in this course, I am going to use xampp software because this software is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, so it's available for all the system, whereas wamp is just available for Windows and mamp is just available for Windows and Mac. Okay, but this xampp is available for Windows, it is available for Linux, and it is available for Mac. So xampp is available for all the three major operating system. Okay, so just go to Google and search for xampp, and we are going to download xampp in this video. So just click on this first link, apachefriend.org, and then click on xampp for Windows, and this will start the download process. I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded it, so I'll just cancel it. And in the next video, I'm going to install xampp on our machine. I will show you the entire installation process. It's no-brainer. If you are using Windows, you can install it yourself, but if you really want to watch me install it on my machine, then you can do that as well. Okay, so let's move on to the next lecture where we install xampp on our machine, where we install localhost on our machine. Okay, let's go to the next video.